What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you watched my vlog video from Australia, then you probably saw that I mentioned I was going to do like a travel essentials soon. That's today's video. Basically, so I travel a lot. I've really just locked down and nailed what I have to bring on the plane with me when it comes to like carry-on stuff. So today I'm gonna go through the backpack that I always travel with. I love being organized. I love being prepared. If any of you guys are new here, then be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you know when I upload. Starting off with the backpack itself, I've had this for a few months now. It's from Tumi. It's basically just all black, kind of waterproof material, silver hardware. Guys, I'm obsessed with this backpack. It is so great for keeping everything separate and organized, and all of the pockets and everything. I'm just obsessed with it. The first thing that I always have is a neck pillow. I usually just keep this around my shoulders when I'm walking around through the airport. This front pocket right here in the center. Cell phone, of course. This case is from Wildflower. It's so cute. Vlog camera, always shooting stuff when I'm traveling. So this is just the Canon G7X. There are smaller pockets in here. I usually keep gum in here, and then also always pencils to fill out like custom forms and stuff like that. Going into the pockets on the side, crucial section, my hygiene pocket. So in here, for starters, you gotta smell good. I tend to visit Phineas on tour often, and so he usually is already wherever I'm flying to, hence he's picking me up. I wanna smell good. I like to keep some perfume and deodorant. I love native deodorant. It's aluminum free, very healthy for you. This is my Le Labo perfume in LYS. It smells so good. Always, 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 this is so crucial. I can't believe I used to not do this. You gotta bring toothpaste and a toothbrush. So I have been a long, basically lifetime user of Burt's Bees. They're just one of my favorite brands. They started making oral care products. I'm so excited to be working with them. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know that I have been obsessed with their toothpaste for many months now. So I was actually going out to get like a TSA little pre-check sized toothpaste container so I could like squeeze some. And then I freaking found the mini version of the one that I already use, and it's so cute. It just makes me want to cry. Burt's Bees toothpaste addresses key areas in oral care. So that's whitening, strong teeth, and freshness. So the one that I'm using right now is Enamel Care, and it's one of the fluoride toothpastes. They're available in 3 different adult formulas and 2 kid formulas. They're formulated with ingredients that you can trust, but they're still working the same as leading toothpaste brands for, fighting cavities. So the ingredients are simple, they're effective. There's no SLS in here, parabens, sweeteners, artificial flavors and preservatives. They also don't have like the plastic micro beads, which that stuff just ends up sinking in the ocean floor. Fun fact. If you guys want to try out any of the full sizes, I will link down below where you can get them if you want to get them online, but also you can just head to your local Target and find them on the shelves. On this side, there's actually a secret, I think it's a phone pocket, but right now I just have little antibacterial Wet Ones wipes. More often than not, there's like crumbs and grease marks on the tray tables, so I always like to kind of sanitize my area. The little zippered pocket in front of that is kind of like my little emergency health area. Vitamin packets, they're just like my daily supplements. 2 tampons, 2 liners, just in case. Then lastly, for outer zippers, we have this one at the top. Right here, I just like to keep some sunglasses. So easy to reach, and it just sort of feels like the safest spot. I like to bring my iPad Pro with me. It's basically replaced my laptop when it comes to like emailing and kind of on the go stuff. This thing is a freaking game changer. Also, so many of you guys ask me how I make my cute little like titles and GIFs and stuff. It's all done on this iPad, so it's a fun way to kind of get ahead on different editing things when I'm filming a travel video and stuff like Australia. I was already getting crazy with like the writing and stuff. A crucial instrument towards making my YouTube videos now, so very excited about that. Now, going into the main zipper compartment, I am so stoked on how organized everything is. So starting off at the top, I just have an empty water bottle. Great way to avoid single-use plastic. Also some sort of snack. Sometimes I forget to do this, but this little reusable silicone baggie is by the brand Stasher, and I love the way that they close and just kind of lock up Guys, this is my safe space. This is what I thrive in and get so excited about. In this zipper pocket right here, I have this sort of envelope style wallet. It just has my initials. In here, I just have a few bucks, my passport, and my little wallet. So I kind of have all of like my important things zippered up in here, super safe, and anytime I have boarding passes, whatever, I just keep everything in here so nothing gets lost. I always like to have a book with me as well. Haven't started reading this one, so no one spoil the plot in the comments, but this is The Humans. This is a new thing in my life. It's the Pro Case electronic organizer. I'm gonna be honest. Phineas had it and I Amazon primed it. Got it the next day. Are you kidding me? Do you see this? Look at those cords. Look at the way those cords are so organized. Extra batteries for my vlog camera. We've got my AirPods. We've got my Apple Watch charger, my phone charger, a charger for my portable charger, SD cards. I don't think I need to say anything else. It just rolls up and it's perfect. I used to just kind of like throw all of my electronics into a bag. If you like organization, get on this level. Continuing on with the excitement, you guys. I'll link this down below. It is like the travel bag from Base, which is, I think it's Base. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but it's Shay Mitchell's travel organizational company. It's the smartest invention in the entire world. So it's basically like a proper makeup bag that you can see through, but it has two different sections. So there's one that says, let's go, and another that says, we're here. So you can organize it by what you're using on the plane versus what you're using when you land. Starting off with let's go, I mean, I've got all of the essentials in here. First up, we've got a sleeping mask, of course, if you're gonna be sleeping. These essential oils are awesome. Each one kind of serves like a different purpose. I love the stress relief one. You just roll it in your palms and breathe it in. It's so relaxing. Also, hand sanitizer, of course. I like to bring a face mist. This is the watermelon mist from Recipe Glow, and I have been loving it. I'll use it multiple times throughout the flight. If I'm traveling all day, I will definitely use my Summer Fridays mask. It's just really, really thick and hydrating, and so I just slather that on my face. Of course, some earplugs to cancel out any screaming babies, some makeup wipes if I need to take off any makeup or clean my face for any reason, and if I'm feeling it, a sheet mask as well. And then, of course, lastly, some lip balm, and I like this one from Fresh. Then moving on to the top section that says we're here, I like to just keep a few makeup products if I want to sort of freshen up, touch up anything. But the best part of this little compartment is that you've got a little mirror that pulls out and it stands on its own. I always like to bring some light coverage face powder, as well as obviously some brushes. I've got one for my eyebrows and two for my face. And then for bronzer, I like this milk cream bronzer, and I'll just do like a quick contour. Instead of foundation, I just like to bring some concealer for sort of any spots, under eyes, stuff like that. I've also got my Browsings palette from Benefit to fill in my eyebrows. I usually use just like the powder, and then of course some mascara. And this one's my favorite. It is Roller Lash from Benefit Cosmetics. And that is it. I just throw everything in there. Genius, so smart. You guys, I think that's it. Sometimes I bring like larger headphones to kind of cancel out noise. Sometimes I bring fuzzy socks, but this is pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and like it. I would really appreciate that. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much. I love you. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys for a new video very soon. Bye.